Hey dreamers, welcome to the premiere of my YouTube channel, Live Your Dreams. I'm Carson Monroe, your host. So I will be crafting, cooking, crocheting, decorating, balloon art, travel, singing, just having a great time together. So come along on this journey with me and let me show you how I live my dreams. Now, dreamers, this is what I call my gingerbread experience. So dreamers, check me out. This is a trash to treasure. I found this for like 50 cents at Family Dollar, and I just did it over with some chalk paint. Just to tell you a little bit about myself, dreamers, I am over 55 and I'm retired by force. I left corporate America because my job was sent overseas, and I had been there 10 years. I thought I was going to retire from this place, but you know, God had other plans. So I did make this caddy. It was $3 at Family Dollar, and it had Thanksgiving stuff on it. So I have a video dropping of that. Not this one, but the other one, the red one. These are from Amazon. They match my rugs. So instead of moping around and feeling sad, I decided to start this channel, and here we are. Now I have a video of how I did these business gifts. I made these cups. I got these for $1.25 at Family Dollar, and I just cricketed people's names on it. And then I threw a pair of socks, novelty socks from Dollar Tree for $1.25, and wrapped them with some candy. Okay, dreamers, here's my first gingerbread house that I made. It is so pretty. It lights up. I do have a video on these as well. I also made this paper towel holder, and this was just trash to treasure, and I put an ornament on it and added some puff paint and some little embellishments. Now the decorations that I have on the fridge, I just threw some magnets on the bag. Oh, and this is all my matching gingerbread wishes and cocoa kisses. Oh, that's so cute. But I threw some magnets on the bag, and here they are, $3 at Dollar Tree. Now, this was an old rusted whisk that I was going to throw away. I found down in the basement, and I just added some caulk, but I used clear. I should have used white, so that was my only mistake. But, you know, it came out pretty good. It's cute, just for Christmas. Now, dreamers, instead of taking my pictures down, I just wrapped them, decorated them, threw a little gingerbread on there. So I bought this garland over the window. It was pre-lit for $5 at Family Dollar, and I just added random ornaments and garland and some ribbon. That's the only thing I bought was the lights for $8 and some ribbon for 99 cents at Hobby Lobby. And so this was like under $15. So my husband brought me the gingerbread clock. So I added some jingle bells because by the numbers, it was black, so I couldn't read the numbers. So when I was adding the jingle bells, I added some more embellishments, some gingerbread men, some little peppermints. And here it is. It's so cute. Thank you, hubby, for my gingerbread clock. He is always on my journey with me. Mwah. Love you, honey. And here it is, the gingerbread clock. When I saw this gingerbread recipe at Hobby Lobby, I had to get it. Cute. I just put some Mod Podge on top of it so I can keep it for a while, but it has the gingerbread recipe on it. And here is the top of the cabinets. I'm just going to let you take a look at everything that I did. Nothing cost over $20 here. Everything is from $1 to $20 in my gingerbread experience. So dreamers, I had to talk about the cookie jar. It was $9.99 at Walmart. I'm been seeing it all over the internet. And everything in this kitchen that I decorated is from Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, Dollar General, Walmart, Home Goods, At Home, and Marshall's. I got the tree for like $5 at home. The ginger man and lady on the refrigerator, I just put some magnets on the back, and these are $3 from Dollar Tree. Now this Christmas sign, I made these with, I say my kitchen is Gingerbread Avenue. I love Candy Cane Lane. I also put some little miniatures on it to represent my grandkids, the boys, and just some little gingerbread embellishments and Merry Christmas. This is Murray Wright, my high school pilot's place. And it's slippery. Look at the little milk and the candy cane on Candy Cane Lane, and also Carson Drive. I also used the Dollar Tree fabric paint, puff paint, for this project as well. Here are the rugs from Amazon and the dish tiles. I don't remember how much they cost, but it wasn't very expensive. Okay, dreamers, for these magnets, I just used the Dollar Tree magnet, put it on the back with hot glue, and here we are. Now this is the countertop in between the refrigerator and stove. That's just a little embellishment I got. I have a gingerbread mug. I can't wait to drink out of that. I have the gingerbread salt and pepper shakers, and also the gingerbread spoon rest. Like I said earlier, instead of removing my pictures, I just wrapped them. So here's one in the living room. It's so cute. Here's another one. I'm going to get a close-up in the living room so you can see how I mix the bows in to make it work. So cute. I love it. Here are my gingerbread miniatures. I bought these little miniatures at the Dollar Castle. I painted them with the chestnut brown, added some little peppermint embellishments, and the Dollar Tree fabric paint, some candy canes, and here we are. Now this is one of the wooden gingerbreads that you can make at Michael's for $6. I painted it with the chestnut brown, added the fabric paint, added some ornaments, some little trees I got off ornament, a little donut, a candy cane, and some glitter in the paint. I just purchased this sign at Hobby Lobby, just to embellish and make my decorations prettier. I did also purchase the $1.25 Christmas trees and redid those. I added some Mod Podge, some little ornaments like, little gems and things, little Merry Christmas sign, and I drizzled it with the chestnut brown and made a topper. This, I just bought it and embellished it with some Mod Podge and glitter. Here is another tree. So cute. I love these trees. Only $1.25, and I just took some things out of my stash and just added to them and embellished them. And they change colors for $1.25. They change and they look so pretty on your mantle, on your, on any of your display cabinets. Beautiful. I will try to drop all my Christmas videos this year before Christmas. And here is also the little church that I did. I do have a video of that I will drop. I did get some cut off branches of trees for risers. Now I just embellished these houses with glitter. I didn't do too much. I just made this paddle and put it in there so we can keep up with all our remotes and things. Just made a little gingerbread girl with a cricket. Now I'm going to quit talking and let you guys just take a look at everything. Merry Christmas. Please like, subscribe, share, and click that notification bell for any of my future videos. Merry Christmas to you and your family, dreamers.